So hope you have got the scorecard on your
Sir,
screen. Yes. Somebody said something. Congrats
Sir,
to
it was
Anu
not
Jha.
funny, sir. It
Yes.
wasn't a funny riddle,
It
sir.
was full of maths. It was not even funny.
it was not
It was,
funny.
it was not funny.
Right.
Maths becomes a headache, isn't it?
Sir, by the time we think itself, the question is going.
Yeah, I agree to some question. You may say that yeah, more time was needed. I agree to that. But at the same time, remember, you should make yourself more fast also. Okay? You should make yourself more fast also. That is needed. So anyway, congrats to Anu. I think you have done it yourself. Your video was off, so I can't say that. But still, it's nice to see that Anu has done it nicely. I started
Thank you,
teaching.
sir.
Yeah, I started teaching her just 2-3 days before. Okay, and Aryan is also not behind. Aryan is also very, means I think 3rd place. Okay, and Ronit has acquired 2nd place. Very nice to see. I will try to organize such questions once in few weeks so that you all can interact with each other and you all can have some good time other than your books. Where do you all like? Okay, I will give you one question now. Let me see who will answer. Only one question. All of you are ready? There will be only 30 seconds and it may be a question about which you have never thought. Okay. So let me find that question. It was there on Nearpod only. Let me see. Just 1 minute. I'll take just 1 minute. By the time, I hope whatever options you have selected, you got answers also for that on the screen. Okay. Let me see if I can find it and then I will share on the Zoom screen. You don't have to join anywhere. Okay. Okay. The condition for this question is nobody is to speak. You have to write the answer in the chat box so that who is writing first can be clear. Okay. No need to speak. Speaking may not make it clear. So the question is on the Zoom screen. You can say it and answer. Your time starts now. I never thought that this can be a question, but okay, you said it's not funny, so I made it a little funny for you. Only 30 seconds. Okay, I'm getting so many answers. I will say the answer, correct answer after 30 seconds. Yes, Aman got the correct answer. So your time ends. The question will not be there on the screen now. So shall I write the correct answer on the screen? You want to know the correct answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so you might never have thought that this can also be the answer.
What? Sir.
Lol.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, this
That
was
was
funny,
given.
sir.
Yes,
This was funny.
this was funny. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So only 3 or 4 oral questions I'll ask. You will not be having the opportunity to answer orally. You have to write in chat box. And as soon as, yeah, Alona is saying this can be egg also. Anyway, Alona, you can't compare that word with any other word. That is the perfect word for this question, isn't it? Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So be
sir.
ready. Keep your finger on the chat box. As soon as you hear the question, you can answer it. Okay. What word begins and ends with an E, but only has one letter? Don't search on Google and answer. That's not a standard way.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
What word begins and ends with E, but has only one letter? Now this is funny. Everybody is writing E, okay? Think something else. It begins with E, ends with E, and has only one letter. Yes,
Sir, did you check mine?
time up. And has only one letter. How can EYE have one letter?
Sir, I is a letter.
I, sir, I. Yes.
I is a
What?
letter, no, sir.
I is
I?
a letter.
Okay,
It's a letter.
Okay, okay.
The answer is
I,
envelope.
but I, yes, envelope is the correct answer. Envelope has one letter, okay? Did
Sir,
you
you can
understand?
put 2 letters in that, no, sir.
Okay, that's a funny riddle. So you can make it 2 letters, 3 letters, but envelope stands for putting one letter and sending, isn't it? Okay, next question. What has a neck but no head? I'll be noting the points. What has a neck but no head? Rabia, if you say Afghani language, we will not understand. So speak in English.
Sir, I sent in the chat.
Yeah, I got correct answer. First correct answer I got from Stephen Samuel from Pune. That answer will be bottle. Bottle has a neck, but it does not have a head. Okay. Okay. One minute. Which letter, what starts with a P, ends with an E, and has thousands of letters? What starts with a P, ends with an E, and has thousands of letters? Only 30 seconds.
Sir, I send the answer.
Ronit Hans has answered first, I think. Yes. Ronit Hans' answer is correct. The answer is post office. Post office starts with P, ends with E, and thousands of letters come there. Okay. Next. Why would a man living in New York not be buried in Chicago? Why would a man living in New York not buried in Chicago? New York and Chicago both are places. Why would a man living in New York not be buried in Chicago? Alan's answer is correct because he is living. You understand? What is the answer? Because he is living. How can he be buried because he is living? No? Got it? Okay. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Alona's answer is correct. Teapot. Teapot, isn't it? Teapot. It starts with T, ends with T, okay, and has T in it. Okay, I'll be asking few more questions. I'll be finishing it in 2-3 minutes. Don't worry. How many letters are there in the alphabet? How many letters are there in the alphabet? 26, 28, 52, 8. How many letters are there in the alphabet? Yes, Bilal's answer is correct. 11. I said the alphabet. THE, the 3. Alphabet 8. 8 plus 3, total will be how much? Total will be 11. Okay. Next question. Be ready with Zoom box, then chat box. Then you will be able to answer fast. Okay. Where does Friday come before Thursday? Where does Friday come before Thursday?
Sir, can you repeat?
Where does Friday come before Thursday? Yes, Hans John. My elder son has answered first. Very good. Keep it up. That is in dictionary. Okay. Where does it come first? It comes in dictionary. Got it? Okay. Bobby throws a ball as hard as he can. It comes back to him even though nothing and nobody touches it. How? Very simple. Think it. Bobby throws a ball. It comes back to him even though the ball is not touching anything. Yes, Tanya's answer, no. Alan's answer is correct. First answer is given by Alan. Okay. That is, he throws it up. If he throws it up, it will come back to him without striking anywhere, isn't it? Okay, children, one more question. What is so delicate that saying its name breaks it? What is so delicate that saying its name breaks it? It's a good question, but still, as soon as it is said, it breaks it. Aman Abbas' answer is correct. Silence. As soon as I say silence, what am I doing? I am breaking silence, isn't it? Okay, okay, children. Some children had tests today, so by this we are finishing the test sequence series today. Okay, we will have class at our normal timings tomorrow. Be prepared more. If you have any doubts related to this, we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Good night.